In this video, we'll be looking at this Casekoo Linkoo iPhone 17 Pro Max case. They did provide the sample for review, but of course that does not affect your opinion in any way. This is just the box that it comes in. It's essentially a lanyard phone case, so it's going to give you a little bit of extra protection and security on your phone, while of course offering a standard case as well. So this is just the box that it comes in. Only thing we have in the box is this little tray here. Inside that tray we have some stickers, very cute stickers from Casekoo with some pandas and all that. Nice to see. Next we have another sheet of stickers, so 2 sheets of stickers, very nice to have included. Here is the actual lanyard. It's a very short one, as you can see, more like a hand strap I would say, but it looks like it's a very high quality overall. We have a really nice kind of quality of rope here. You can see it's almost like a climbing rope, so really nice rope. It's going to be very sturdy for sure, no worries about that breaking or anything like that. Then we have here the actual clamps. So the small part here is on a spring. You can kind of just open it like that, clip it onto the case, and then it will of course secure your phone. So looks really nice for sure. I like the orange color of it. It matches the case, which we'll look more at in a second. We have a nice Casekoo logo here on a piece of leather as well. And here's what the actual case looks like. It is a pretty transparent case except for the orange around the sides and the back here. Definitely looks really nice overall. It will match well with my orange iPhone. So I'll go ahead and put that in here now. You can see the orange. It looks very similar overall and of course matches the lanyard as well. There's a nice reflective design inside the case here as well. It looks pretty cool. But we'll just go ahead and put it on the phone first. Volume side in first. Kind of snap it all around. Just like that we have it installed. So that's what it looks like. I think it looks really good on the phone here. If you bought an orange iPhone, you probably like the look of the orange, so I think it highlights it really well. Of course, this orange would still look good on a blue iPhone or something similar because it would be a bit contrasting, but I think it looks especially good on this orange phone here. So this is just kind of what it looks like overall. We have a pretty big cutout for our camera here. You might have to worry about scratches a little bit there, but the nice part is that this case actually comes up above the camera lenses, so if you put it on a table, you won't be scratching the camera lenses that way. The only thing you'd have to worry about is keys or something because this part is exposed. The majority of cases are open like this. I've never had a problem, so I think it's not too big of a deal. As far as our cutouts go, on the right side we have a nice overlay for our sleep wake button. Still feels really good, almost feels exactly like the actual iPhone button. It's a nice cover there. And then on this side here, we do have an actual cutout for our camera control. So not an overlay, it's going to be an actual cutout. Again, a little potential risk for scratch, but it's such a small area that it shouldn't be a problem. And on the other side of the phone, we have nice covers for our volume up and volume down button. Also very tactile and nice feeling. And then same for our action button. So all the covers feel really good. I hate when a phone case kind of makes your buttons a little bit mushy and gummy, but that's not at all a problem with this case. The front of the screen is also nicely protected as well. As you can see, the case comes a bit above the front. So same thing as our camera lenses. If we were to drop it face first, it should hit the case rather than your phone screen. Protection overall feels pretty solid. It's not going to be the most protective because it is a pretty rigid case, I would say, but it's thick enough on each of the corners that it should provide a good amount of drop protection. We also have full MagSafe compatibility, which is great. So that's what this orange part here is on the back. Works perfectly with MagSafe chargers, as you can see, so that's always nice to have. However, the most interesting thing about this case is of course going to be at the bottom, and that's where our lanyard connects. So as you can see, we have a nice cutout for the USB-C port as well as a speaker, but then we actually have this little metal grate here that you can lift up if you want to, and then you can connect your lanyard here like this. So of course, if you're not using a lanyard, you can just fold it out of the way, which I think is super nice, but we can just go ahead and connect our lanyard like this. Same thing on the other side. And just like that, we have it connected. So again, it's definitely more of a handle than a lanyard, I would say. When I think of lanyard, I think of something that goes around your neck, around your body, but I think it is still very practical. It's just big enough that you can put your hand through it while you're using your phone, and that will just give you a little bit extra protection. I really like it if I'm going on vacation and I'm going to be in a boat or something. If I'm going to be like taking photos, I really want this extra protection. So in case I drop the phone, it would just fall into my wrist. Then I won't have any issues with it dropping into the ocean. So that's a big thing, of course, for theft protection as well. If you're going to be walking or even holding it or that sort of thing, if someone tries to grab it, it will have this security because it is attached to your wrist. So even though it doesn't go around your neck or your body, it still definitely adds a good amount of protection. It's essentially just another fail-safe to prevent you from dropping your phone. If you have your wrist through this while you're using it, you're going to be way less likely to drop your phone or have it stolen or anything like that. So I really like it. It's also nice that you're able to kind of undo it pretty easily. So if you want to take off one side of this, you can just open up the clasp here. And then if you wanted to secure it by hanging it to something or attach it to your purse or something, you'd be able to do that. You can just put this around your purse's strap, secure it again, and then it will be pretty secured to your purse. So the extra security in that sense as well. I really like that it's pretty easy to take on and off, which is huge. And the other advantage of it being so easy to take on and off is that if you're not going to be using it, you can of course just take it off your phone, close this little part here, and then it's like a normal phone case.